Fun and educational activities for kids, learning through play. Learning through play is a proven method for children to acquire new skills and knowledge. Play is a natural activity for children that allows them to explore, experiment, and discover new things about the world around them. Through play, children can develop their cognitive, physical, social, and emotional skills. It can also help build their confidence, self-esteem, and creativity. By incorporating fun and educational activities into a child's routine, parents and caregivers can foster a positive attitude towards learning. Whether it's board games, arts and crafts, cooking, science experiments, outdoor activities, reading, role-playing, puzzles, or virtual field trips, there are countless opportunities for children to learn and grow through play. Learning through play is a great way for children to develop important skills, knowledge, and attitudes. Here are some fun and educational activities for kids that will help them learn while having fun. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. 1. Board games. Board games have been a popular pastime for generations, and for good reason. Not only are they fun, but they also provide numerous benefits for children's development. Board games can help children develop important cognitive and social skills, such as critical thinking, problem solving, communication, and teamwork. Playing board games can also improve children's attention span, memory, and decision-making abilities. Moreover, board games can be played with family and friends, making them a great way to bond and strengthen relationships. 2. Arts and crafts. Arts and crafts are a great way for children to express their creativity while developing their fine motor skills. Engaging in arts and crafts activities can help children learn how to focus, problem solve, and think critically. It also helps to develop their imagination and encourages them to think outside the box. There are many different types of arts and crafts activities that children can do, such as drawing, painting, sculpting, and collage making. 3. Cooking. Cooking is a fun and engaging activity for children that can teach them valuable life skills while also promoting healthy eating habits. Cooking helps children learn about measurements, following instructions, and kitchen safety. It also encourages children to be creative and experiment with different flavors and ingredients. Cooking with children provides an opportunity for them to learn about nutrition and healthy food choices. Encouraging children to help prepare meals and snacks can also help them to develop a sense of responsibility and independence. 4. Science experiments. Science experiments are a fun and engaging way for children to learn about the world around them. They encourage children to ask questions, make predictions, and experiment to find answers. Science experiments can help children develop critical thinking skills and an understanding of scientific concepts. Children can learn about chemistry, physics, biology, and environmental science through simple experiments that can be done at home using everyday household items. Science experiments can also be done in groups, promoting teamwork and communication skills. 5. Outdoor activities. Outdoor activities are a great way for children to get exercise, fresh air, and connect with nature. Outdoor activities can help children develop their physical, social, and emotional skills. Physical activities such as running, jumping, and climbing help children develop their coordination, balance, and strength. Outdoor activities also encourage children to be creative, use their imagination, and explore their surroundings. Activities like gardening, camping, and hiking can teach children about the environment and the natural world. Outdoor activities can also provide opportunities for children to interact with other children, develop social skills, and build friendships. Outdoor activities are a great way for children to learn about the world and develop their confidence and independence. 6. Reading. Reading is one of the most important skills that children can develop. Reading helps children develop language and communication skills, expand their vocabulary, and improve their comprehension abilities. Reading can also help children develop their imagination, creativity, and critical thinking skills. When children read, they can explore new worlds, cultures, and ideas. Reading is also a great way for children to relax and unwind, which can help reduce stress and promote better sleep habits. Parents can encourage reading by providing a variety of age-appropriate books and making time for reading together as a family. Reading aloud to children can help build a love of reading, improve listening skills, and foster parent-child bonding. By encouraging children to read, parents are setting them up for success in all areas of their lives. 7. Music and dance. Music and dance are fun and engaging activities that can help children develop their cognitive, social, and emotional skills. Listening to music can help children learn about rhythm, melody, and tone. Playing musical instruments can also help children develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Dancing can help children develop their coordination, balance, and flexibility. Music and dance can also help children develop their social skills by providing opportunities for them to interact with others and work together as a team. Participating in music and dance activities can also boost children's confidence and self-esteem. 8. Role-playing. Role-playing is a fun and imaginative activity that allows children to explore different roles and scenarios. It can help children develop important social and emotional skills, such as empathy, communication, and problem-solving. Role-playing allows children to step into the shoes of others and see things from a different perspective. This can help children develop an understanding of different cultures and lifestyles, and also help them learn how to navigate social situations. 9. Puzzles and brain teasers. Puzzles and brain teasers are engaging activities that can help children develop important problem-solving and critical thinking skills. Puzzles come in many different forms, from jigsaw puzzles to logic puzzles, and require children to use their cognitive abilities to solve them. These activities can help children develop their spatial awareness, visual perception, and memory skills. Brain teasers can help children develop their analytical and reasoning skills as they work to solve complex problems. 10. Virtual field trips. Virtual field trips are a great way for children to explore new places and learn about different cultures and histories. You can visit museums, zoos, aquariums, and national parks virtually, and teach your child about different topics from the comfort of your home. By incorporating these fun and educational activities into your child's routine, you can help them develop important skills and knowledge while having fun and building positive attitudes towards learning. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing information about kids, self-development, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.